Yes, hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So this is another sprocket and it's the engine sprocket. So please feel free to subscribe, like, share and comment. Yes, ask anything in the comment section. If you're in need of these files, they'll be available soon. Yes, you can also reach me out at mojodestiny@gmail.com. So today's tutorial we shall be making this simple sprocket, the one that connects it's basically connecting the engine to the first big sprocket. So I'll start with the top plane, then I draw a circle of diameter 7.5 like that. So I'll also extrude it through 8 millimeters in the mid plane style. Go to normal, do a construction line, come here and draw a circle. Circle is measuring 5.08 times 2 like that. Then from here up to here it's 4.534, just like that. Then I also convert to this. I'm going to draw another line coming from here to join that. The angle between these two will be 18. Come here and draw a circle. It is touching that first circle. Its diameter is given by 2.73 times 2, just like that. Now I'll mirror this circle using this line and I will trim. So in my trimming, go like that. What will remain will be something like that. So I'm going to come and use what's called a circular pattern, circular sketch pattern. And I'll select this, come here and put 20. Having gotten that, these will be the teeth of the sprocket. Also come and do this at once. There is a shaft hole which is 19 in diameter. Then there is a simple key that was also gotten from the rectangle. 5 millimeters by 5 millimeters. So some of the things may not be perfect, but they give a good basis for your design in case you have to do one. So you are going to extrude cut and set through all. This is what you have. Special right plane, then sketch still. We do what we did on the big sprocket. So be our mirror. So we shall come here and say have 2 millimeters. Then Yeah. I have a line of 2.09 like that, and this is going to be 7.09 like that. I'm going to draw a line connecting this to that. You can make this a construction line. I'm going to mirror using that. Shall also come here and do a simple line that will act as our axis of revolution. Yeah. So here we are. I come and say extrude revolve cut using this. Say okay. Yeah, so this is the first part. You can see. Yeah, so can pick any of the sides, say yes, and you come here and say, which is 55 in diameter. Then you're going to also convert this like that. So you're going to extrude. Oh, sorry, yeah, extruding. Shall use two directions, whereby this one will be 55. Then direction 2 will be 80 millimeters. Actually, it's 40 on this side. Yeah, like that. So this is it. Can go ahead and give it some fillets just to smoothen it a bit, but don't overdo it. Yeah, don't overdo it. Yeah, something simple. Yeah, so that's how I made that sprocket. Hope it has been as easy as I said at first. For you guys, thank you so much.